Hey guys, Dan here from Teralume Industries. Today, we're going to go through our most popular work light range, the X Series. The X1 comes in two housing colours. Comes white, and we've got a black housing, and each model comes in white or amber LED colour. Every X1 you purchase comes with a flat base, allowing you to bring your cable out flush, and of course our 30-degree angle, allowing you to bring the light to your desired 30-degree angle when it's mounted, and of course the tube mount as well. Every X1 comes with 1 metre of cable. You've got a fully terminated end on here, which allows you to unplug the tail we've got and add on any accessory in between, whether it be a dimmer, an extension cable, power cable, cigarette plug, whatever you need to do. Drawing only 0.48 of an amp at 12 volts, the X1's very friendly to start batteries. We get a lot of questions. Can you run it off a start battery? Absolutely. Provided you have a healthy start battery and it's of size, which most four-wheel drives do these days, it shouldn't be a problem. Whether it be in a canopy, a boat, or underneath a car, the X1's fully weatherproof, so it can go inside, outside, no dramas at all. We get a lot of questions asking us how many lights you should run and where. Generally speaking, we suggest for one area, let's say the side of a ute, we suggest 2, and 2 is enough because it can cross out the shadows. So we don't want to have too many shadows underhand or whatever you're doing there. So having 1 is more than enough light, but having that second one provides that cross hashing so you don't get that shadow effect, which can prove to be irritating. A lot of people ask how bright they are. To put it into simple terms, we suggest people get their phone light, which is around 100 lumens, 150 lumens, depending on what phone you have, and imagine 6 times that in terms of brightness. That's one of our X1s, so we say it's about 6 times brighter than the average phone torch, which is more than enough light in singularity to illuminate anything you really need to do in that 3 to 6 square metre proximity.